go. Woke up today, I was going to go for a flick around some new places, a little grub or something, and I seen the weather. I was like, dude, this is Pelagic shoot weather. Look at this shit. Strong outgoing tide, easterly winds, barometer's good. So I brought my medium set up with a Shiverstick on. Let's go get some fucking tide. There we go. Don't lose this one. This one feels good. Oh, you come off, you bastard. Come out. Fucking hell. Some weight to this bitch. No, you don't want to come in, but you're going in. Yeah, alright. Yeah.
What is it?
It's a Tailor.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh, stop jumping around. Yeah, that's a good one too.
Facebook, thank you.
Could you get a photo of me actually? I'll just get the hook out.
Okay.
I can find my thing.
I never thought they'd be that big.
Yeah, they come into the river in spring, and this type of like outgoing tide and the wind.
Will you eat it?
Yeah, I'll eat this one.
Beautiful.
Oh, this one's had some wars.
It's
Got a few. Oh, it's gonna be hard to get out actually. All right, calm down. You need to be careful with these guys. They're super sharp teeth. So. Yeah, I'll just get him a measure first. He's definitely size, but you never know. 45. What's up? 45. Whew. Yeah, I do YouTube too, so okay. I'm recording. Yeah, if you could grab a photo for me, just hit the. It's a bit dodgy, but.
okay, and I'll just
cheers. Thanks.
Is that okay? Fabulous, thank you.
Cheers.
Holy shit.
Yeah, he is there. Oh, I've got to get him in the fish bag. Hey! What's up, bro? Oh yeah, today's weather, man, it's good. Yeah, just the first one, so I just want one or two. Yeah. So there's no good unless you eat them fresh, like, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're on again. This one's way smaller. Might have to throw him back. Or he's just not fighting. Oh! Yeah. We'll put him back. Hey, little chopper. What are you doing trying to get that, mate? Oh, you're fucked up there, aren't you? How are we going to get that out? Alright. Yeah, it's a sinking stick bait. So you just throw it out, wait like 10 seconds, 5-10 seconds, and slowly wind it back. No, you're nowhere near. About half an hour. Fuck, where were we? Yep, you bastard. Yeah, you feel a little bit better. Woo! Yeah, I know, right? If I don't lose him, fuck yeah. Number 2, Pella. Fuck yeah, that's a good one. Oh, stop being a dickhead. Yeah, she's a nice one. I think that's a 50. That's got to be a 50 or a 49. I think I just got this from BCF, man. Yeah, the last time I went there, they didn't have many. Oh no, 46, not a 50. Oh, but yeah, this is called a CRD Shiverstick 95. And you literally just let them sink for like 5 seconds and slowly reel it in. That's all you have to do. It's crazy. Oh yeah, what is he? Is 47. Hell yeah. Number 2. Happy with that. Oh, that's a good feed right there. But oh, can't. I don't want to treble in me, buddy. Stop, please. That hurts. Ah, motherfucker. Oh, treble. Shit. Why do you go and do that for? How am I going to get these out, mate? with you jumping around like a fucking idiot. Whew. Actually, I'll grab a photo of him. He's a good one. He actually looks bigger than the other, but he's not that much bigger, eh? Oh. Number 2. Whoa. Alright, 10 minutes. Oh, fuck off. There goes my lure. Shit. It just snapped at the knot. No. Oh, I think that's it. What's the time? Shit. Look at that. Just fucking snapped. I've got the light gear now. Yeah, the knot snapped. So I haven't changed the leader in a while, so it's a bit brittle probably. But yeah, that's annoying. Now I need to get another one of those lures there. We'll just see if we can get a small one. What's this? Imagine if we load up on the 6 pound, that would be crazy. Another 5 minutes. Yeah, the 6 pound though, this is my bream rod. Imagine getting a big boy on a fucking little thing like this. I can't believe that, eh? That's so annoying. Oh. What's that, mate? Yeah, it snapped just before the knot, so I think I must have caught it. And I haven't changed that leader in a while, so it's probably like a bit shitty and it just came off it. So annoying, man. It's gonna be the last guy to do that. Oh. Alright boys, so Pelagic pursuit complete. 245ers, little unsized, lost my favourite lure, but shit happens. Woo, like and subscribe for more shit, peace.